So I'm in the garage. I'll be pulling the rest of the stuff off the engine, or the block I should say, putting it to the side. I'm going to be selling this block. Like I said, I don't have a need for it. It's just holding up space right now. I need to get it off the stand, get it prepped for the other engine. So you guys just watch. But yeah, guys, I talked to somebody at Fuel Tech about the standalone. They don't support direct injection, so I would have to go Motec if I wanted to go a standalone, or make it, try and figure it out and make it work. I don't know yet. The money's not the problem. Just want to try different avenues, but we'll see. I've got plenty of people I can talk to and ask questions. See if I can make it work. See about tuning. See if we can connect tuners, get them on the platform, make it work. Give us another outlet or option to tune these cars on. Because not everybody wants to spend $7,000 on a standalone. But like I said, it's not bad, but it could be better. Millimeter. Yeah. Looks like I need one. It's just add a little more. Yeah, that's why you have all types of tube sockets and extensions. But you know, it's an infamous 10mm, so I have the short one, but I can't find my long one to save my life. If only. If only every socket wasn't as valuable as a 10mm. To be a 12. Yep. Wow. tight. That fell off the head stud. Thank God it wasn't prior to Bill. Alright, you don't want to budge. No problem. I'll be right back. Off here. Looks like I need one that's just a tad longer. Yeah, that's why you have all types of tube sockets and extensions. But you know, it's an infamous 10mm, so I have the short one, but I can't find my long one to save my life. If only. If only every socket wasn't as valuable as a 10mm. To be a 12. Yep. Wow. It's a little tight. That fell off the head stud. Thank God it wasn't prior to Bill. Alright, you don't want to budge. No problem. I'll be right back. So guys, this has been a thorn in my side. Gotta get this bolt out. I gotta get this bolt off. And it's not playing Mr. Nice Guy right now, so God, always one. Just like that one. Just like that freaking right here. Right here. Always. Just one. So Poncho, this one's for you, Poncho. Watch. I'm gonna get my car running before you and your brother get y'all rotaries together. And if you guys want to know, I work with two brothers, twins. I call them the rotary twins. One's got an RX-7 and the other one's got a 3-rotor RX-8. So you guys will be seeing more of those. Stay tuned for that.